Yeah, welcome to our channel. Never leave your brothers behind Forex institution. So this institution is all about helping traders to become profitable in a long run. So if we want you to be profitable in a long run, that means we are going to give you all the information that can make you profitable in a long run. It doesn't help to become profitable for 2 days and in day three you start losing your money. That is when you're going to start to have problems with people. So in order for you to understand this or what we are teaching, you will just have to take a pen and a paper because it's very much important. Once you hear a word that you have never heard of, that is when you start taking notes. And that is what I usually used to do because even I used to take notes almost every time. That means if they are teaching me, I'm going to take notes. So taking notes is very, very much important. So we are going to use candles here in order for you not to get confused. So what you just have to know about this candle can be any candle. The lower candle can be any candle. Even if the market is going to buy, the lower candle can be red. Even the market is going to buy. So you don't have to care or how it goes, but you'll just have to understand the lower candle. How do you know this is a lower candle? A lower candle mostly it's a doji that indicates that the market is in decision. So what I like or what I prefer most is to use a bigger time frame doji because it is more reliable than a small time frame doji. So knowing the candlesticks is very important. Doji simply means indecision. If the market is in doji, just know that the market does not decide the direction that the market is going to take. That's where a lot of people lose their money because they just enter a market that is indecision. So how do we find older blocks or how do we spot older blocks or how do we spot entries at older blocks? What's going to happen is this. We draw lines just like this. So what is a line? A line can be a horizontal line. You'll just have to understand that the market here was up. Then when it comes here, it broke the support. But after breaking the support, the market came back immediately. This is a bullish order block. Order. What am I writing? Order. This is a bullish order block. So if we find a bullish order block, that's when we are going to be only talking about support. This is the support. support level. So if you are talking about a bullish, you don't even have to talk or to mention anything about the resistance. If we are talking about the bullish, we only mention resistance if the market broke the resistance and create a new support. That's only when we talk about. So we draw a half horizontal line on the last candle, which is a higher high, which is a high, which is higher low. Can call this a high. So on the support level, you just have to understand that the bullish order block support level, it's for stop loss. Stop loss is always compulsory. If you don't see where the stop loss is, don't take trades. If you don't see where the stop loss is, I continue or I repeat telling you that don't take trades. Sorry, my battery is about to die. It's 10%, but ish. Yeah, we are continuing. So we enter the market. If we want to buy, we only enter at high. We only enter at high. That is what happens. If we are looking for a buying opportunity, we only enter at high. Bullish order block. This block determines by move down followed by the price going up. So you will just have to understand what happens, and or you will just have to understand the psychology behind. You'll have to understand the psychology behind why is this happening. Why is the bullish order block? So bullish order block is an entry. So what matters most here is to trade at this high to consider a bullish order block. So if you are considering that this is a bullish order block, you'll just have to, you don't get the bullish order block on the you take the, I think my network is bad. So, and you will always have to know that if the market is going to be buying, just know that before it buys, the movement will be running away from the bullish order block. So you will just have to know that the market is not going to come closer to the high. it is going to be always avoiding it. So after avoiding it, the market will, if the institutions place orders, that means the market will become more aggressively trying to push the market downwards to high, to mitigate or to collect all those pending orders that the professional traders placed. So that is what matters most. When the market, the reason for breakout and retest is for taking people who are not patient, who cannot wait for the market. So you will just have to understand that there are different types of traders or people who trade in the market.